Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a stock analysis of Cytokinetics. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, Cytokinetics are in the pharmaceutical sector, and if you don't know what they make, they're making muscle activators and muscle relaxers. This is for people who have muscle diseases like Parkinson's or ALS or something like that to make sure they can use their muscles again. Now, as you can see right now, it has been trading a lot higher back in 24, up at 110 bucks, and currently we're trading at 49. But before this huge jump yesterday, we were trading back down here at 38. So although this stock is quite volatile at the moment. Now, as you can see, however, it has had quite a poor run downwards ever since. As you can see, the peak back here in January of 24, falling. Now, as you can see, it has had quite a nice bit of turn upwards and then this huge jump. Now, let me just make the candles an hour instead. Now, as you can see here, in a bit of a smaller perspective, as you can see, it has been increasing nicely but slowly. But as you can see, we still have some poor RSI numbers down here, as you can see. Now, if you know what the RSI is, that is the relative strength index. This shows the momentum of a stock. So if we're between 50 and 70, like here, it's an upwards going momentum. If it's between 50 and 30, it has downwards going momentum. And if it's between this, it's either oversold down here or overbought. And once it's up here or down here, it's a lot more volatile. But the thing I don't like about this stock is how big these not oversold, but downwards momentum sectors are. Just how low they're lying. They're almost being an oversold and sometimes reaching oversold, and this happens several times. I don't look how much it fluctuates. As you can see, if you just take from May this year, as you can see down at 39, not 39, 29, then it rises right up here to 39, then it falls right back down here to 32. So overall, it has quite huge pitfalls, which I don't like about this stock at all. Now, if you take a look at the earnings, as you can see right here, still it's going to be negative in the foreseeable future. Even if we make annual, as you can see, it's until 2028, they're still estimating to lose money. Now, the overview of this stock, as you can see, the market cap of this stock is quite small, only $5.9 billion market cap and 855 million in debt, and just above that in cash. Now, I don't like to have so much debt for a company that still isn't making money, and they don't have enough cash and equivalents to make up for that, personally, I think. And the PS ratio on this stock is absolutely insane at 49. That is higher than a company like Nvidia. I think it's a bit too high at the moment, and as you can see, it has even been a lot higher. The PS has been at 1.8 thousand. I think it's a bit overvalued at the moment. Now, if we go down here to the revenue, you can see how they make their money in muscle activators at the moment. So as you can see, they're barely making any money at all, but as you can see here, the market cap of 5.9 billion. I think that's way too much. In my opinion, a company that makes and sells this and in such a niche pharmaceutical sector, I think it should be worth maybe 2 billion market cap, which is why I think this stock should be worth maybe 18 bucks. I think it's way too overpriced at the moment. Now, if we're going to hit the seasonals, as you can see right here, let's just make it the past 10 years, like so. As you can see, we had some years with huge losses and some years with huge gains. Now, maybe I don't understand the stock, maybe I do, but overall, this is just a huge coin flip stock in my opinion, because they're not making any money currently. They have, however, they have 5 drugs in phase 3, maybe that's going to be great, but if they don't pass that, I don't know where this stock is going to fall. My best guess is it's going to fall quite a lot, but overall they're not making that much money, and it only focusing on muscle activators. I mean, it's simply so niche. I just don't see a huge future in this company unless they pivot. Now, the technical for this, one day is a strong buy, and for the month it is a buy. That's of course because it has had quite a nice decent run up here and this huge jump right up here. Now, the analyst rating on this are quite amazing, so they all disagree with me, as you can see right here. 17 strong buy, 1 buy, and 4 hold. Maybe I'm just absolutely wrong, but overall I just don't like the stock itself because they are simply too niche in the pharmaceutical sector for me. As I said earlier, the EPS is estimated to be almost positive in 2028, and then you can see the annual revenue is estimated to increase quite a lot in 2028. Hopefully for them that happens, but I won't buy this stock until I see much better gains. And of course, as you can see here, they barely made any money last year, 23, 24, and they are using a ton of money in their research. So hopefully they come with some good drugs. Hopefully they make some money soon, but I just don't really believe they're going to do that in the foreseeable future. That's why me personally, I wouldn't buy this stock at all. Now, that was my stock analysis of Cytokinetics Incorporated. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And of course, remember, this isn't financial advice. It's purely for entertainment and educational purposes.